Hello student, I am Umesh Sishra of LPM Public School. I am going to teach rational number. What is rational number? I will teach you about the rational number. Rational number, a number which can be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers, where p and q are integers and q not is equal to 0, called rational number. Just like p upon q. Rational number is expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and the q not is equal to. This is called rational number. Now I will explain after this negative rational number and positive rational number. Here, if in p by q, if p is negative or q is negative, then rational number is called negative rational number. Example, minus 2 upon 3. Minus 2 upon 3 is negative rational number. Also, if you write 2 upon minus 7, then this is also called negative rational number. But if p and q both positive or both negative, then rational number is called positive rational number. For example, 2 by 7. Here 2 and 7 both positive, then this rational number is called positive rational number. Also, if minus 2 upon minus, here minus 2 is also negative and 7 is also negative, then this is also called positive rational number. It clear? Now I will discuss about the equivalent rational number. If you multiply any rational number, equivalent rational number, first of all, equivalent rational number, this is equivalent rational number. Equivalent rational number. If you multiply numerator and denominator of rational number by same integer, then rational number is called equivalent rational number. For example, you consider 2 by 3. The rational number, if you multiply 2 and 3 by 2, we get 4 by 6. 4 by 6 is also a rational number. But 4 by 6 is equivalent rational number of 2 by 3. Similarly, you can find other equivalent rational number by the multiply by same integer with numerator and denominator. Also, you can other example, if you multiply 3 with minus 7, with minus 7 and 8, we get minus 21 by 24. Here minus 21 by 24 is also equivalent rational number of minus 7 by 8. Now I will explain standard form or simplest form of rational number. Standard form are simplest form of a rational number. If a CF of any rational number, if the CF of numerator and denominator of any rational number is 1, then rational number is called standard form or simplest form. For example, 2 by 3. Here, a CF of 2 and 3. A CF of 2 and 3 is 1. Therefore, 2 by 3 is the standard form of a rational number. But here 4 by 20. Here a CF of 4 and 20. A CF of 4 and 20 is 4. Therefore, 4 by 20 is not standard form of rational number. If we want to convert its simplest form or standard form, I divide I divide 4, which is SCF of 4 and 20, and then I will get the standard form of 4 by 20. For example, SCF of 4 and 20. SCF 4 20 equal 4. We divide 4 by 4 and 20 by 4. We get 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is standard form of rational number. Now, I will tell you about the equality of rational number. The equality of rational number, when two rational numbers are equal, first of all, we take example 2 by 3 and 4 by 7. If you want to check equality of these two rational numbers 2 by 3 and 4 by 7, first of all I will get the product of 2 and 7. Multiply 2 and 7, 2 into 7 equal 14. And product of 4 and 3, 3 into 4 equal 12. Here 14 is greater than 12. 14 not equal. 14 and 12 are not equal. It means 2 by 3 and 4 by 7. 2 by 3 and 4 by 7 are not equal. Here to multiply 2 and 7 we get 14, and to multiply 3 into 4 equal 12. Then we get 40 and 12. In this 40 is greater than 12, it means 2 by 3 is greater than 4 by 7. Here 2 by 3 greater than 4 by 7. Or we can say that 4 by 7 less than 2 by 3. This is the check the equality of two rational numbers. Now I will tell you a representation of rational number on number line. Then first of all we draw a line. First of all we draw a line. And at the midpoint we make 0. And as a net, we write 1, 2, 3, 4. And here -1, -2, -3, and -4. If we want to any rational number on this number line, first of all, let us consider a rational number 2 by 3. We want to represent this rational number on this number line. Here we see that here numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. Here denominator is greater than numerator. Denominator is greater than numerator. It means this number is greater than 0 but less than 1. It means this number will be located on 0 and 1. But where it is located? Then we divide space between 0 and 1 3 parts. What is 3? Is the denominator of this number. Then I divide this space in 3 equal parts. Here numerator is 2. It means here the second line, at this second line the number located 2 by 3. If you consider any negative integer, suppose this -4 by 5. Here also confirm that denominator is greater than numerator. It is clear that this number will be between 0 and -1. To locate this, we divide space between 0 and -1 5 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4. Therefore, here will be located -4 by 5. But in this condition, it is the condition where denominator is greater than numerator. But when the denominator is less than, when the denominator is greater than, when the denominator is less than numerator. For example, you consider 10 by 7. Then where it is located? Then first of all we will divide 10 by 7 and convert this into the mixed fraction. If you divide 10 by 7, you get 1/3 by 7. It is confirmed that this number is 1/3 by 7 is greater than 1 but less than 2. It is clear that this is located between 1 and 2. So we divide the space between 1 and 2 7 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Where 1/3 by 7? Then 1, 2, 3. Here is third part. Therefore, here will be 1 whole 3 by 7, or you can say 10 by 7. This is method for representing the rational number on the number line. Now I will explain the absolute value of any rational number. Absolute value of any rational number is a rational number without any sign. For example, absolute value of -2 by 3 equal 2 by 3. Absolute value of -2 by 3 equal 2 by 3. Also, absolute value of 7 by 8 equal 7 by 8. This is the sign of absolute value. If we add, we also prove that absolute value of A into B equal absolute value of A into absolute value of B. Let us consider an example. Let A equal 1 by 3 and B equal -3 by 5. First of all, we find A into B. A into B equal A 1 by 3 multiplied by -3 by 5. This will be 3 cut by 3. Then it will be -1 by 5. -1 by 5 equal 1 by 5. Now I will take absolute value of A. Absolute value of A equal absolute value of 1 by 3 equal 1 by 3, and absolute value of B equal absolute value of -3 by 5 equal 3 by 5. Now multiply absolute value of A into absolute value of B equal 1 by 3 absolute value of 1 by 3 into absolute value of 3 by 5 equal 1 by 3 into 3 by 5. 3 by 3 it will be 1 by 5. Therefore, we have proved absolute value of A into B equal absolute value of A into absolute value of B. This is all about the rational number, and that's all.